In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Attio Workspace with Team. To get started, open Attio and make sure you're on the home page of your workspace. From here, look for the option that says Invite Team Members and click on it. This is the main place where you can bring other people into your workspace so they can collaborate with you. If you're setting this up for the first time, this is also where you begin organizing access for your team in a clean and controlled way. Once the invite window opens, type in the email address of the person you want to invite. Be sure to enter the correct work email so the invitation reaches the right person without any delays. This step is simple, but it's important because the email you enter is what Attio will use to send the workspace invitation. After that, choose the role for the person you're inviting. In this example, we're inviting them as an admin. Before you select this, it helps to understand the difference between the two options. A member usually has more standard access and can work within the workspace based on the permissions they've been given. An admin, on the other hand, typically has broader control and can help manage workspace settings, users, and other administrative tasks. So if this person needs to help oversee the workspace, admin may be the right choice. If they only need regular access, member is usually the safer option. Next, add the person to a team. Teams are useful because they help group people together based on function, department, or responsibility. This can make collaboration easier and help keep your workspace more organized as more users are added. If the team you need doesn't exist yet, click on New Team. This allows you to create a brand new team right from the invitation flow, which is convenient because you won't need to leave the setup process to do it separately. Now type in the team description. This description should clearly explain the team's purpose, so anyone viewing it later can quickly understand what the team is for. Keep it short, but specific enough to be useful. Once everything looks correct, click on Confirm. This finalizes the invitation, applies the selected role, and places the person into the team you chose or created. At that point, your workspace is shared, and the invited user can join through the email invitation they receive. That's all it takes to share your Attio Workspace with your team. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.